My name is Hamid. I'm a certified instructor at ASM Educational Center. We're located in Rockville, Maryland, www.asmed.com. Today I'm going to talk about IPv6 EIGRP configuration. On the last video I did talk about that. If you get a chance, watch the CCNA IPv6 OSPF. In this lab we're going to do the same kind of lab, but we're going to have IPv6 with EIGRP. Right now we have router 4, which is 10.10.10.4, and router 10 we have 10.10.10.10. I already put IP address here, .4 and .10. So let's go to router 4. Let's check it out. Show IP int brief. So this is my IP address. Let's see if we can ping that as at 10.10.10. Oops, sorry. Ping 10.10.10.10. Okay, that's the other guy is, which is router 10 is. Now if I go to router 10, also show IP int brief. Oops, sorry. Show IP int brief. I see that same thing. I have this as IP address and loopback address. Okay. Now what are we going to do in my lab? I have a notes right here. Again, this lab I have router 4, router 10. They can talk to it. Now what we're going to do? We're going to create the IPv6 on each interface. On router 4, I'm going to have 2001:444:4, and this one I'm going to have 2001:444:10/64. So let's do that. That's the first thing you want to do. So I go to router 4. You're going to say config t int f00. The key is always IPv6 ? So what I need, address (), then I put the IP address. What's IP address? 2001:444:4/64. That's router 4. Okay, very good. Now I go to router 10, same thing again. Oops, sorry about that. I go to router 10, config t int f00, IPv6 address. Yeah, what number is going to be router 10? 2001:444:10/64. Okay, very good. Now let's go to router 4 and let's see if we can ping that. Control Z. Remember that from before we have what? Show IP int brief. Now instead of IP, I can write what? IPv6. Exact same concept. Show IPv6 int brief. Now look what happened. This is F0's up. FE80, I talked about this last video on CCNA. This is called link local. Basically what you do, you put FFE in middle of the what? Your MAC address. So this your MAC address is. I'm going to put FFE. So please go to other video and watch them. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to ping myself first. Copy this. This is myself. I copy, I right click and paste. So I'm pinging myself. I can ping it in upper key 10. So far I can ping each other. Okay. Now what I'm going to do in the diagram, as you see that I'm going to create a bunch of loopback address in what? Router what? 10. So that's what I have here. In router 10, when I look at my diagram, oops, sorry about that. Right here, I'm going to create a bunch of loopback as in router what? 10. So let's go to router 10. Control Z, config t int loopback 1. As you see, IP address. As soon as I put loopback 1, it's always going up. Here is going to be FEC0. Remember, for example, FEC0, that corresponds to private IP address, okay? :1000 1/128. Then say int loopback 2, IPv6 address 2, int loopback 3. And this can be what? Number 3. int loopback 4. This is going to be 4. Okay. So basically I create loopback. So right now the goal is router 4 be able to ping this loopback address. In order to do that, last class we did what? OSPF. Now here we have to do what? EIGRP version 3. Okay, so I'm going to back my notes. I have this is my router 10 is. When I show run, I see my loopback address. I see these are the loopback address. Loopback 1, that's IPv6 address. Loopback 2, loopback 3, loopback 4, and this is my fast interface, and this is my IP address on that topic. Okay. Again, right now when I go to router 4, when I show IPv6 size, I don't see the loopback from router 10. Why? Since I need to run EIGRP. So let's check it out. Let's go to router 4 right now. So what I'm going to say, show IPv6 route. Like before, show IP route, you can show IPv6 route. Exact same concept. See that? There's nothing. Now here, D will be what? Where is that? Lost it. That's OSPF D. Here's EIGRP. So there's nothing D yet, okay? So I don't have nothing there, right? So remember that you need to enable what? Unicast routing. Remember from last class, last exam, you have to do unicast routing. And also you have to advertise under what interface. That's the key part. You gotta make sure you do that unicast routing and advertise under interface. Look, hint. On global configuration, you're going to say IPv6 question mark. Under interface question, you're going to say IPv6 question mark. So let's look at my configuration. I'm going to say config T, okay? IPv6 question mark. So let's do router 4 first. So I go like this. Config T. I do global configuration. IPv6 question mark. Now watch this. I have a route and router. Route represent what? A static. But I want to do what? Router. Let's do router first. Question mark. Then I'm going to put what? Last class we did OSPF. Now I'm going to do EIGRP. Question mark. Remember we're going to need the AS number. AS number I'm going to use 100. Question mark. Enter. Now look what happened. It said that IPv6 unicast route is not enabled. So that's the first thing you gotta do. You gotta do this part. And you gotta remember this for example. You have to do unicast routing. Okay. So I'm going to use up arrow key IPv6 unicast routing. Enter. Oops, sorry about that. Then I'm going to use up arrow key again one more time. Now I'm going to do advertisement. I'm going to configure that. Now the key is you do not do advertisement under this. Remember that you have to do what? Under what? Interface. Okay, you gotta do what? Under what? Interface. Under interface. Okay, so here's my notes. I come down here. I see this and that. Now when I say show run router 4, let's look at the router 4. Let's go to router 4 and say show run. Let's see what we have. Control Z, show run. Let's get our eyes used to it. You come down, you see this one. This is good. Ding 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 ding. You come down. Now here I have not advertised any what? IPv6 yet. Look at this. This is new. By default, it's going to be shut down. What you have to do, you have to give no shot here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So config T IPv6 router EIGRP 100 and just a no shot. Gotta do this part, okay? So that's what I see that. Hint, as we see under this router is 100, I need to give no shot. So that's why I said no shot, right? Okay? Now I will go same concept on router 10, but make sure you advertise on the all what? Loopback address. Here I have to what? Advertise it under what? F00, which I didn't do. I'm going to do that later. So I'm going to go to router 10. I do same concept, okay? But advertise it under what? Loopback. So let's go to router 10 right now. Let's go to router 10. Same concept again. Config T. You're going to say IPv6. Remember, global configuration always start with the IPv6 question mark. Question mark. Now you better do what? Unicast routing. Then you're going to say IPv6 question mark. Now you're going to use the word what? Router. Because router represents what? Static route. We're not going to do that. I want to do what? Routing. So I'm going to say what? Router question mark. Oops, sorry. Router question mark. EIGRP question mark. Make sure on the exam keep using question mark. 100 question mark. Then remember that you have to say what? No shot. Okay? So that's what I did, and you guys said no shot. Okay? Now here's the show run is Now I have to go under each loopback and advertise it. Loopback 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm router 10 right now. So I'll go back here, config T, int loopback 1, IPv6. Again, you go under interface, all you have to say IPv6 what? Question mark, that's all it is. What I need, last class I did OSPF, now I'm going to do what? EIGRP, question mark. What I need, AS, I gotta use the same AS, which is what? 100, question mark, enter. Then int loopback 2, upper key, same thing. int loopback 3, same thing. int loopback 4, same thing. Then you check the board, show run. You go down, down, down. Okay, see, loopback 1, this is that's good. Loopback 2, loopback 3, that's good. Loopback 4, and so on. Okay, so far so good. So that's what I did. Okay, now here's my show run. Loopback 1, blah blah blah, right here. Loopback 2, loopback 3, loopback 4, and so on. Okay, now, and no shutdown, we have that. Okay, now if I go to, let's go check it out, router 4. Now I intentionally did some mistakes so you can see this. There's some mistake here. Show IPv6 route. I don't see nothing yet. See, there's no what? D represent GRGP. Now the next command is you want to do what? I don't see nothing here. Why not? Let's look at my neighbors. Let's see if I have neighbors. Depending on IPv4, say what? Show IP EIGRP neighbors. Here all you have to say what? Show IPv6 EIGRP neighbors. So let's go to router 4. Show IPv6 EIGRP neighbors. As you see, there's no neighbors here. Why not? No neighbor. Why? Since when I look at router 10 show run, I see I forgot to advertise what under F00. So let's go to router 10. Show run. You gotta check everything. You come down, you do this part, which is good right here. Go down, 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 down. I need to look back 1. This is IPv6. That's good. I advertise it. I need to look back 2. I advertise it. I need to look back 3. I advertise it. Go down, down, down. 4. Now watch this. Under F00, I have IPv6 address, but I forgot to what? Advertise it. So let's do that one. Okay. So config T, int F00. Remember that? IPv6 question mark. No need to memorize anything. Just use a question mark. That's the best way to do an exam. EIGRP question mark 100 question mark enter. Okay, so I did the router 10. Now I gotta do the same thing on router 4. Let's go to router 4 right now. Show run. I go down. See, under F00 there is no what? Advertisement. So I gotta do that. Config T, int F00 IPv6 question mark EIGRP question mark 100 question mark. Now watch this. As soon as I press enter, I see some kind of activity. Why is that? Because look at the diagram. Router 10 is doing advertisement right here. If I can get that one. Router 10 advertise. As soon as I advertise this, then they become what? Neighbors. Okay? Very good. And that's what happened. I did advertise this, all of that. You see, it's nothing there. I'm going to advertise on the interface. In my notes, I'll go all the way down. I advertise that. As soon as I advertise, it becomes C. As soon as I advertise, I did advertise under that. I see it directly since I am sending hello packet and router 4 has already sent hello packet. So let's check the neighbor router 4 right now. Control Z, show IPv6 EIGRP what? Neighbors. I can see some kind of what? Activity. Okay? So I see activity. Okay? Now let's go to router 4 and say show IPv6 route, because that's the goal is show IPv6 route. What do we see? Voila! Now I can see all the loopback of what? Router 10 here. Remember the diagram? Let's look at the diagram. We create a bunch of loopback, and the goal was these guys can see this. Now since I advertise that, again the key is you gotta advertise this per interface You gotta advertise the link between these two guys. If you do not advertise it, they don't see each other. Okay? Now let's go see if I can ping each of those. I can say ping FEC0 colon 1000 double colon 1. I can do 1. I can do 2. I can do 3. I can do what? 4. So I can do all this advertising. So life is good. Okay? So that's what I see. I see show IPv6 route. I see all of that. Then I can ping it 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? So let's look at another show command. Show IPv6 what? Protocols. Remember we have show IP protocols, show IPv6 protocol. That's a good command is. I go on router 4. Let's see what we have. Show IPv6 protocols. Now look what happened. I'm advertising EIGRP on router 4, okay? I'm advertising under what? F00, right here. Now let's go to router what? 10. Let's do it here. Show IPv6 protocol. Watch. I'm advertising under where? F00 and all the loopback address. Okay, you see I'm advertising there per interface, okay? And I'm doing what EIGRP 100, and these are my K values. Remember that unit 2 router becomes same neighbors, they have to have the same AS number and K value. Again, we don't touch a K value in this class. Alright, so here's the command. I go back to my notes and I see what's right here. Okay, so summary. Make sure you enable IPv6 unicast route. You gotta know this exam. Make sure you do global configuration, and the key is you always start with what? IPv6 question mark, give no shot, and make sure you advertise the word under what? INT interface. All you have to say INT F00 IPv6 question mark and just follow that. Alright, I hope that will be good for you. Everything, okay? What I want to show you quickly, oops, sorry about that. Let me go to new page. I want to show our website to you, okay? This is our website is asmed.com, okay? When this comes up, basically what we have a page what for blogs. These are blogs pages, okay? So let's wait that comes up. So right now, see under blogs we have a CCNA, CCNP, all of that. So this is one of the blogs which we did for the Cisco CCNA, and sorry about that. This is for IPv6s, okay? OSPF with that. So if you click on this guy, it's going to take you to our notes. We have our notes right here, okay? Then we have another pictures. Then we have actually a video here. So my high recommendation is that you come here and watch these videos too also, okay? Again, if you have a question, here's our phone number 301-984-7400, and our website is www.asme.com. We offer all kind of training. We offer live training here. If you go IT, technology, IT, you're going to see the courses that we offer at ASM. We offer CompTIA, Netto Plus, Security Plus, combination, Soho class, special AWS, that's for Amazon, Microsoft. Then come to Cisco CCNT, CCNA, CCNP package, CCNA security, voice, data center, all that, and other Cisco courses. So, and also I'll let you know that we offer, let's go, if I go to Cisco CCNA, if you're in this area, we have two formats. We have a WebEx, we have bootcamp, sorry about that. We have bootcamp, we have evening online, and we have bootcamp WebEx or evening WebEx. We have a bunch of choices that you need, okay? Again, thanks so much. You have a good day. God bless you. Bye-bye. So make sure like us and follow us. And if you get a chance, share this with your friends and family member. Okay, bye. Have a good day.